So, $1 billion is about to get pumped into South Florida's real estate market. We're going to unpack a huge new development fund that's ready to completely reshape key areas like Palm Beach and Boca Raton. And we're going to start with that big headline number.
$1 billion. Yep, that's the massive target for this new real estate fund. And according to Bloomberg, this isn't just some pipe dream. Investors are already getting in line, and the fund is apparently really close to hitting that goal.
But this is about so much more than just a big pile of cash. What this fund really represents is a powerful new partnership, a force that's poised to make a major mark on development all across the region.
So let's pull back the curtain on this billion-dollar partnership, shall we? Who are the power players behind it, and what exactly are they planning to do with all that capital?
Well, the fund's strategy is incredibly focused. We're looking at $1 billion aimed squarely at real estate developments in two of South Florida's most wealthy areas, Palm Beach and Boca Raton. And this isn't some far-off plan either. Like we said, they're already closing in on that funding target.
So who are the key players making this billion-dollar push? It's actually a pretty fascinating combination of two very different firms coming together.
Okay, so on one side, you've got 1799 Capital, which is an investment firm. Its partners include Donald Trump Jr., along with co-leaders Scott Martin and David Pulte. And on the other side, you have the Frisbie Group, a really well-established Palm Beach real estate firm led by Rob Frisbie Jr. and Cody Crowell. So it's this mix of high-level finance meets deep local real estate know-how.
And the timing of this move is pretty noteworthy. Donald Trump Jr. officially joined 1789 Capital back in November, a decision that, according to the source material, happened as he chose not to take a role in his father's potential future administration.
All right, so now that we know the who, let's dig into the what and the where. What are the first concrete plans for this billion-dollar fund?
The first big target is right in the heart of Boca Raton. Now for this project, the Frisbie Group, one of the main fund partners, is already teaming up with another huge player, the Miami-based firm Terra, to tackle a massive downtown redevelopment program.
And, calling it massive might be an understatement. The proposed scale for just this one redevelopment project is, well, it's immense. Let's break down the numbers to see just how big we're talking.
The whole project has a few different parts. It includes a brand new city hall and government campus, a ton of mixed-use commercial space, and a large number of residential units complete with a new parking garage. They're basically creating a whole new hub for downtown. First up, the commercial side. The plan calls for 350,000 square feet of new office space. To put that into perspective for you, that's enough room to house a major corporate headquarters. It's a huge bet on Boca's business future. And to support all those offices, the plan adds another 152,000 square feet just for retail and restaurants. That's about the size of 3 football fields of just shopping and dining, all designed to create this vibrant, walkable commercial center.
And finally, to really complete that whole live, work, play vision, the project includes a massive injection of new housing, 912 new residential units. So this is so much more than an office park. It's a plan designed to fundamentally change how people live, work, and shop in downtown Boca Raton.
But an ambitious plan like this isn't without its complications. In fact, the chosen location brings up a very sensitive and controversial issue.
The entire point of contention really boils down to the very ground the new government campus is planned to be built on.
According to the source material, the planned government campus would be built on an area that was previously designated as a World War II memorial. And this, as you can imagine, immediately creates a direct conflict: the city's future versus its past.
And this really leaves us with a critical question, making this project a perfect case study. As South Florida continues to attract all this massive investment, how will communities navigate the challenge of balancing billion-dollar plans with irreplaceable local history? It's a question that Boca Raton has to answer right now, and one that many other cities will surely face down the road.